Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In this guide video, we are simply going to learn how we can change our bio on our Discord account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to change your bio on Discord. In today's video, we are simply going to learn how we can change our bio on Discord. So you want to simply make sure to watch today's video till the end, because I'm going to show you how you can do that very easily. First of all, we simply want to make sure that we have updated the Discord app to the latest version. If you have not already updated Discord, simply open App Store. In the search box, you want to type in Discord and then go ahead and see if there is an update available. If it does have an update available, then go ahead and simply tap on the update button in order to update the application to the latest version. After we have downloaded and updated Discord, I'm going to simply open Discord app, and you also want to make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are logged into your account and open Discord, by default this will show you this menu right over here. You want to come back, and over here you want to simply go to your profile icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. So go ahead and simply tap on your profile menu. Once you tap on our profile menu, it will take us to this page where you will actually be able to customize many things, such as your account status, your online status, your privacy, safety, your connections, your QR code, your nitro settings, and so many more options. But over here, what you want to do is at the third option at the top, you'll be able to find an option called user profile. So we are going to go ahead and simply select the option called user profile. As we tap on user profile, right over here it says to add an about me section. So if you have not already added a bio before, you will simply be able to see add an about me button. Go ahead and simply enter your about me bio. The maximum number of characters you can update is up to 190 words. So simply go ahead and enter your desired bio or anything which you want to add to your about me section on Discord. Once you do that, you can simply go ahead and tap on anything. And as you tap on it, here at the bottom right hand side of the screen, you will simply be able to see the save icon. Go ahead and simply tap on the save icon in order to save the changes of your bio. Now if you go ahead and simply select over here, you can see our bio has been successfully updated. So this was the way on how you can very easily update or change your bio on Discord. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts regarding this, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.